trailer that was getting burned is for somebody who is from Mangu, and to be precise, Chanso, that's the village where Bantu is coming from. Bantu is indigenous Plateau State. And I'm begging those that are leaders that we must speak to our people. When issues have gotten like that, that we should not bring religious matter into it. Rather face the problem as they are. And I want to go to part of the report, sir. I was opportune to be a member of the transition committee when this government came to power in Plateau State. And I want to say this, that the security are not doing their work. There are remote causes of this matter. Whether we like it or not, that's the truth. Mr. Speaker, I want to inform this House and Nigerians that about 300 people were trained in Israel. I said 300 people is there in our report. We gave it to government to work on it, to find out those who are sent for that training. I can tell you, Mr. Speaker, to date, nobody has been traced. And those who did this training are aware, they know them. They are the ones who go to now agitate, kill 1, 2, 3 persons, and at the end of the day, it gets back to us. I am giving you this, and I'm willing to surrender those documents. I want to tell you, sir, there's a company in Nigeria today in Plateau State that is working. They did importation. About 4 trailers, 4 containers were missing. And when we trace as a committee what are in those containers to go root many, sir, we were told it was taken to a person's house, a highly politician. And trace the name of the company. I'll give you the name of the company. It is a security company in Israel. They bought arms. And we do not want to speak the truth. It will continue to hunt us. It will continue to devil us. The truth of the matter, sir, there are some politicians who are behind this matter. There are some people who are behind this killing. And I want to say with honesty, I am from Plateau State. I suffer from it. It's burning me. I'm losing people. What I'm saying, I know I'm putting my life in danger. But I prefer to die. Let other people be safe. It's much better. I am telling you this, that 300 persons were trained outside. And we tried to trace as a government, we couldn't trace the people. We couldn't even get their passport. Mr. Speaker, there's a lot that needs to be done. I am willing, I said, to surrender some of these documents. Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay. I think we have done enough.